Hello 大家，咁我哋繼續解我哋2018年嘅題目啦。咁去到第五條咧，係一條 ratio 嘅題目嚟嘅。咁就佢叫你計啦，主要係計數啦，同埋 comment 翻嗰個表現係點樣啦。咁其實最主要 ratio 呢一課都冇乜特別嘅，主要就係考你記唔記得啲式啦。咁所以咧，我以防我唔記得或者大家都唔記得咧，咁我就寫咗一次啲式喺度。咁咧。我哋溫翻少少先，例如 working capital 咧，佢有其他名嘅，即係 working capital ratio 咧，佢仲有例如 current ratio 啦，又或者係current ratio 冇啦，current ratio 啦，第二個名。咁我哋仲有一個嚴謹啲嘅，咁叫做 quick ratio 啊，或者 liquid ratio 或者 acid test ratio 啦。咁就係啦，佢有時會出啲冷門啲名，博你唔記得佢係乜嘢嘅，咁所以就寫翻俾大家啦。好啦，咁我哋望下上面先。咁而家咧，佢 show 咗2年嘅資訊俾你嘅，因為有陣時我哋要用到 average 嘅數嘅，咁佢就俾咗16、17年啦。咁但係我哋最主要咧，我哋都係 focus 翻喺我哋17年嘅數據嗰度嘅，16係輔助我哋去即係計 average 嘅啫。OK，咁再落去啦。All sales were made on credit 啦。咁而 total sales 咧係78萬。Some goods were sent on a sale return basis at a price of 17,000 in December and were recorded as credit sales。咁但係咧，all these goods returned by the customers and were included in the closing inventory of the company. No entries were made in respect of this return。好啦。唔知大家仲記唔記得 sale return basis 係咩嚟㗎啦？就係寄賣啦。咁我哋咧將啲貨咧寄賣咗去俾個客嘅時候咧，其實我哋唔代表真係已經完成咗呢一個 sales 嘅，我哋只係寄放咗啫。until 佢哋 confirm 要嗰批貨，我哋先可以 record 做 sales 嘅。咁所以咧，我哋呢度 record 咗做 credit sales 就係錯㗎啦，因為咧最終咧我哋12月31號嘅時候，我哋知道咧。All these goods were returned by the customer，即係佢冇 accept 到啦。咁 were included in the closing inventory of the company 呢個啱嘅，我哋唔需要再改翻我哋個inventory 噶啦，因為我哋有 include 到嘅，個客退翻俾我哋已經 include 咗噶啦，但係我哋冇改翻個 credit sales，咁所以即係呢個 sales 係錯噶咯喎，我哋呢個 sales 要減翻17,000啦。At the same time 咧，因為佢係 credit sales 嚟噶嘛，所以我哋咧2017年嘅 trade receivables 我哋呢度都要減翻17,000啦。咁所以呢個係你好容易會漏嘅位嚟嘅。OK，記住啦。改得 sales 咧，通常咧，如果係 Rachel 嘅話咧，記得要改埋 trade receivables。Incomplete 都係好中意玩呢樣嘢嘅，所以你一定要記住，因為佢講咗 credit sales，所以你呢17,000根本一開頭就唔應該 record as credit sales，所以你減咗 sales 之餘，你要減埋你嘅 trade receivables。OK，跟住再落去啦，total purchase 係 amount to 778,050啦，跟住有80% 係 credit purchase，20% 係 cash purchase 嚟嘅。OK，好啦。咁我哋開始計咯喎，我哋第一個咧要計嘅就係呢一個 working capital ratio 啦。咁我哋就要揾翻2017年嘅 current asset 先。咁我哋就首先咧睇翻啦，current asset 包括咗 inventory 啦，364,000啦，再加或者如果你覺得就咁睇咧，你好容易睇錯咧，你可以 mark 低佢係啲乜嘢嘅，即係例如呢個 long term loan 係 non-current line 啦，short term loan 係 current line 啦，accrue 係 current line 啦，cash at bank 係 current assets 啦，跟住 equipment 係 non-current assets 啦，inventory 係 current assets 啦，ordinary share capital 係equity 啦，跟住 retained profit equity 啦。跟住 trade payable 係 current line 啦，trade receivable current asset。咁你寫晒咧，咁你方便你計，即係你揾翻要邊啲數嘅啫，OK？咁所以我哋就有364,000啦，再加 cash at bank 128,000啦，再加我哋頭先個 current assets trade receivable 190,000減17,000 over 翻我哋嘅 current line 就係有9萬啦。再加15,000，再加202,000啦。OK，咁佢哋係呢個 working capital ratio 係俾1嘅個答案，咁你就會計到，因為我哋要 two decimal place 啦，咁你就會計到咧，最後係2.17比1噶啦，就咁撳機咧。OK， 跟住再落去啦，第二個 inventory turnover in times，咁就係揾咗 cost of goods sold 先啦。cost of goods sold 咧係 opening inventory 啦，即係上年嘅 inventory 136,500呢度 opening inventory 加今年嘅 purchase 77,800減翻 closing inventory 364,000啦，呢個係 cost of goods sold 啦，寫翻先 opening purchase closing 除翻 average inventory 136,500加364,000除以2，咁你就會揾到咧係2.20個 times 咁嘅。誒，跟住第三個啦，就係 average trade receivables collection period。咁就會係average trade receivables 啊110,000加190,000減17,000除以2 over 翻 credit sales 780,000減17,000，跟住再乘翻365個 days，咁你就會揾到咧，應該係67.69個 days。咁最後啦，就係 average trade payables repayment period，又係 in days，咁就係等下先，average trade payables 580,000加202,000除以2 over 翻 credit purchase，咁就係778050乘翻80%，再乘翻365日啦。咁你就會揾到咧，應該係76.23個 days。OK，就係咁啦。咁咧，其實又唔係真係好複雜嘅，但係我諗最複雜就係咧，你去到真係入考場，你要記得晒啲式咧，咁係即係最難喺呢度嘅啫。咁所以如果你夠時間，你手速快嘅，你可以寫低嗰條式喺度，咁自己就唔會咁容易錯啦。OK，咁再落去啦。B1，咁咧我哋咧就去 calculate 翻個 gearing ratio of Rocky Limited 啦。咁你要 calculate 晒2年嘅。咁 gearing ratio 又係寫翻條式俾大家先。咁就係我哋所有嘅 non-current liability 咧，或者如果有嘅話咧，就係 preference share 啦，除翻我哋嘅 non-current lie 加我哋嘅 equity。咁其實佢呢一個 ratio 咧係想揾啲咩咧？就係想知道咧，我哋公司入邊所有嘅資金來源咧，究竟有幾多部分咧係來自於債務啊 non-current lie 或者係 preference share，因為佢係 guarantee 要俾翻嗰個 dividend，咁所以我哋就會即係姑且當佢係都係有 obligation 嘅資金咁樣計。OK，咁所以咧我哋就計咗先 gearing ratio。2016咧就係long term loan 啦，753,800，咁我哋冇 preference share，所以唔使寫啦。咁再 over 翻753,800，再加我哋嘅 equity，ordinary share capital 係20萬啦，跟住 retained profit 係42,000，冇啦，跟住就乘翻100%啦。咁你就揾到2016年咧，就會係 75.70%。咁2017年呢，咁佢就係我哋100,000,000啦，冇新嘅preference share 啦，over 翻 equity，誒、我哋嘅 ordinary share capital 係70萬啦。跟住咧 retained profit，呢度唔記得提埋大家，呢個咧我哋由於 sales 嗰度減咗17,000啦，咁所以我哋最終 retained profit 呢個數咧，因為你計咗 net profit 啊嘛，咁所以呢一度咧我哋記得你要減翻17,000，因為我哋 sales 減咗17,000，自然我哋 net profit 減咗17,000，所以我哋呢一度年尾計 retained profit 都會減咗17,000，咁所以你好容易漏嘅，咁所以記得呢個位啦，咁所以呢度加retained profit 係150,000減17,000啦。最後咧就係睇下先，仲有冇啊？sorry，唔記得加翻個 non-current 嚟100乘以100%，咁你就會計到咧個總數係17.63%，即係個 gearing ratio 係細咗嘅，即係代表我哋嗰個資金來源咧，我哋本身係 debt financing 嘅，即係你見到原本2016年係 heavily 嘅 debt financing，我哋有即係所有資金入邊咧有超過70%係來自於 non-current 嚟嘅，咁即係我哋爭。即係個比例上好高啊！我哋債務嘅比例，咁但係2017年咧，你見到我哋個資金即係債務佔我哋總資金嘅部分咧，係跌到去17.63%啦。咁所以佢嘅 solvency 咧係 improve 咗嘅。咁啱就係答緊呢一度啦。咁所以我哋寫翻啦。咁佢問我哋 solvency of Rocky Limited 2017年佢做成點啦？咁你就講啦。Rocky Company Limited solvency improved in 2017 as the gearing ratio decreased from 2016嘅75.7% to 2017年嘅17.63%。咁呢個係你嘅依據啦。咁跟住咧就我哋可以分析下點解佢會有呢個轉變嘅。For example 咧，你見到it may because by the company，佢哋可能係還咗好大部分嘅 non-current 啦，即係佢 repaid a large portion of its long-term loan 啦，long-term loan which is a non-current liability。And also，你仲可以睇到咧，佢係發行多咗好多嘅 ordinary share 嘅。Also，it issued more ordinary shares to increase the proportion of equity，就係咁啦。咁所以佢 overall 個 solvency 係 improve 咗。咁所以咧呢一條咧，其實如果你背啲式係熟嘅話，或者你理解成個 ratio 呢一課嘅運作咧，都唔算係太難嘅。就係咁啦。